Hello and welcome. This is a recipe of a basic mutton curry that is made with 1 kg mutton. Take the cleaned mutton pieces into a mixing bowl and marinate it with salt, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and 1 cup curd. Let it marinate for 30 to 60 minutes in the refrigerator, or you can keep it for overnight if you have time in hand. Mix it all up nicely and keep aside for marination. Now in a pressure cooker, add some oil and add whole garam masala spices like bay leaves, a cinnamon stick, few cloves, cardamom and chopped onions. Saute the onions until they are golden brown in color. Add slit green chilies, curry leaves, and saute nicely. Now that the onions are brown, add ginger garlic paste and saute the ginger garlic paste until the raw smell goes away. Add some water along with the paste so that the masala won't stick to the bottom of the cooker. Now let us add some spices like turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, mix it all until well combined. At any point in time, if you feel the masala is sticking, you can always add little water to prevent that to happen. Add chopped tomatoes. For the correct measurement of the ingredients, please check the description section. Cook until the tomatoes are well incorporated into the gravy. Add chopped mint leaves at this stage. Once the masala paste is done, add the marinated mutton pieces. Saute the mutton nicely in the gravy until the flavors are well combined. Just keep stirring to coat the spices. This step here is very important. Please don't skip this. Cook the mutton in its own water and the masala for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, pour in 1 to 2 cups of water to adjust for the desired gravy thickness. Close the lid and pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles or until the mutton is tender. This is the basic version of the curry. In few minutes, I am going to suggest you some other flavor options for the same curry. Adjust the seasonings and check if the mutton is properly cooked. In this case, it is very nicely done. As you can see, the meat is falling apart. Add garam masala and garnish it with your favorite herbs. Hope you have enjoyed the basic mutton masala gravy recipe. To enhance a basic mutton curry gravy, we add various masala pastes that can add depth, flavor, and complexity. I will show you some popular masala paste options and their key ingredients so that you can use them in your dishes to elevate the taste. These pastes can be made fresh for optimal flavor. The first option is the green masala paste. The flavor profile is fresh, vibrant, and herbaceous with a mild heat. The second option is a coconut cashew masala paste for a mild and sweet texture, and a korma masala paste for a creamy kick. Black pepper garlic masala paste for spiciness, tamarind curry leaf for a South Indian flair.